Well, what's going on, David? I thought you'd be glad to see me. David! You're hurting my feelings.
Hurting your feelings? Has it occurred to you that it might be unsettling to see you rise from the grave to visit me?
Sorry to be upsetting you, David, but I had to come.
She's supposed to be buried someplace in New York.
Yeah. Your parents came to my funeral. I was surprised at how many people came.
Surprised with the word like person.
Yeah, and what was that? Debbie climbed quite a little while. So you know what she does? She's so grief-stricken. She runs to find solace in Mark beats the bear. Mark? Was he? An asshole. Life mocks me even in death.
Going completely crazy. David! What?
Now, I'm really sorry to be upsetting you, but I have to warn you. We were attacked by a werewolf.
I'm not listening to this.
On the morgue. We were attacked by a lycanthrope. A werewolf. I was murdered. An unnatural death. And now I walk the earth in limbo until the werewolf's curse is lifted.
Shut up.
The wolf's bloodline must be severed. The last remaining werewolf must be destroyed. It's you, David.
What?
Please believe me. You'll kill people.
No!
Listen to me.
No!
Supernatural business. The power of darkness. God's true. You're the undead, so run. Have you ever talked to a corpse? It's boring. I'm lonely. Take your life, David. Kill yourself. Before you kill others. Please don't cry. You heard the moon. I'm a werewolf.